People would always ask, are there indigenous Igbo communities in Bayelsa State? Why not stick around and let's find out? Let us start with some simple but very powerful questions. What are Bayelsa people really known for? Is Bayelsa only an Ijaw state? Are there indigenous Igbo communities in Bayelsa State? Who truly are the people of Bayelsa? What makes their identity unique in Nigeria? These are questions that come up a lot on social media, in conversations, in debates, and even in classrooms. And today we are not here to argue. We are here to explain. We are here to educate. We are here to tell the story properly. When people hear the name Bayelsa State, the first thing that comes to mind is usually oil and gas, and rightly so. Bayelsa is one of the most resource-rich states in Nigeria, contributing a massive share to the country's oil production. But Bayelsa is more than oil. Bayelsa people are traditionally known for fishing as a core way of life, not just an occupation. And there is farming and agriculture, especially in riverine and mangrove environments. There is the boat building, an ancient skill passed across generations, marine navigation and river transport. Then we have trading and local commerce, artistic expression, dance, festivals, carvings, music and storytelling, environmental adaptation, surviving and thriving in riverine terrains. Every local government area in Bayelsa is naturally endowed. The land, the rivers, the forest, the waters all carry economic potential. The state is not poor in resources. It is very rich in natural capital, cultural capital, and human skill. Now, let's answer the big identity question. What ethnic group is Bayelsa? Bayelsa is predominantly an Ijaw state. It is historically and culturally recognized as the ancestral homeland of the Ijaw people. The major indigenous languages spoken include Izon, Nembe, Ogbea, Epie Atisa. These are all parts of the broader Ijaw linguistic and cultural family. So yes, Bayelsa is fundamentally an Ijaw homeland. Now to the sensitive but very important question. Is there an Igbo tribe in Bayelsa State? The answer is yes, but with context. We are not talking about Igbo settlers or migrants. We are talking about Ndi Igbo, whose ancestral homes are in Bayelsa. Historically, during the creation of states and boundary restructuring, when an Ijaw majority state was carved out to form what is now Bayelsa, a sizable number of Igbo communities became indigenous within the state's borders. These Igbo communities are mostly located in the western parts of Bayelsa State. So today, they are not just visitors, not migrants, not settlers, but indigenous communities whose ancestral lands now fall inside Bayelsa State. This is not unusual in Nigeria. State boundaries do not always match ethnic boundaries perfectly. History, politics, and geography reshaped identities and locations. So, Bayelsa is predominantly Ijaw, but not ethnically singular and not culturally isolated. Bayelsa's identity is layered. It is riverine, indigenous, resource-rich, multilingual, culturally deep, historically complex, economically strategic. It is both an oil state and a fishing state, a cultural state and a commercial state, a traditional society and a modern economic zone. Bayelsa contributes massively to Nigeria's economy, yet many people only see it through the lens of oil. But the real Bayelsa story is about people, culture, skills, survival, heritage, identity, adaptation, community, tradition, and resilience. So let's ask you, when you hear Bayelsa, what comes to your mind first? Oil, culture, fishing, Ijaw heritage, history, commerce, identity? Do you think Bayelsa is properly represented in Nigerian media? Do you think its culture is understood? Do you think people are truly known beyond oil? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Let's talk, let's learn, let's educate, let's understand each other better.
This is a very special moment here in Bayelsa.